So here I'm at Bontech with the Index, and this is...
I'm Olaf from Bondtech. Yeah. We're here at SMRRF. It's great. It's the mood is super high, higher than like any convention I've ever been to. What we're showing here is the Voron Zero. It runs the current generation of the INDX TOOL Changer, and it's very similar to what everyone's going to get in the end. We have the new tool at board showing. It's performing really nicely and behaving for us, which we're happy about. It's equipped with 4 tools. Right now we're just printing multicolor PLA, but as you know, it can do all sorts of different materials. And over by the other side of the booth, we have a core one. It's the same one we showed. It's an older generation.
So we need to create some type of image can
really nicely.
touch the game, and then you can.
Yeah, it's looking amazing. I saw it already on Formnext.
Yeah.
It's
Just like an ordinary.
it's crazy that a machine like in this format can handle also tool changing. People can buy a Prusa XL, but still in the Core 1 you have the possibility now having a tool changer up to 8 tools. Which is, I mean, it's blowing my mind.
Yeah, and ours too. It seems like it's really appreciated, and we're very happy about that, of course.
Are there some more things to expect from the Index in the future?
So, I mean, we have long-term plans, of course. As soon as this is released, we have to start working on what's next. And what's next is more than likely an industrial version that can perform a little bit more. And for those who are willing to part with a little bit more money, you can get a little bit more performance, like higher temperatures, higher ambient temperatures.
Because now the current Index is for which kind of filaments?
It's for everything that can be printed at 300 degrees or lower. With an industrial version, we hope to get up to about 350, which is able to print etc.
This one, it will not.
Yeah, so now here it's open, of course, but there's a hood for it laying there somewhere.
Yeah. There's a buffer.
I think it will be pretty straight.
So up to 300 degrees C.
Another
I think
I have a
you can print
Voron.
most of the filaments.
Will it also be pretty straightforward? So I mean, plug it in like on the Zero then?
More or less.
Yeah.
What we have done now.
So where can people find the amazing Index? And
On our website, Bondtech.se. It will be available for purchase sometime in the first half of April.
USB now.
and prices?
350 for the tool head and 35 for each tool. That's the preliminary prices that we hope to keep as it launches. We'll see where it ends up, but we have faith in that we can make that work.
So I will put a link from Bontech into the description of the video, so people can check it out.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Olaf. Nice.
Thank you.